Vítajte u nového videa. Teraz si zahráme horor vecičku, čo bola predtým dosť známa a idem odpovedať na otázky. Tak asi začneme. Takže start survive, yes. This test is probably the test if you are. So please be honest, the survive will begin. Okay, ja sa bojím. Now! Are you having a nice day? Uá, no, bol som v škole a moc ma to nebavilo. Takže by som dal asi nie. Áno, kúkol som sa okolo. Akože, takže áno. Dáme, že asi yes. You have just woken up.
Vieš otvoriť okno.
Hahaha, loser. Do you know where are you? No. Correct. Tam má tu Rubikovu. There is no way you couldn't win. No. Do you have any hurt? Yes. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. Right. Nemal som dať áno, aby mi to nič. Do you believe there is God? Ako... Áno. Do you believe in ghosts? Ak dám yes, tak mi tu príde ghost. Ak nie, príde mi tu ghost. Takže ako ja tomu verím, že na inej planéte, že nejaký mimozemšťanin alebo tak, ale o duchoch asi neverím. Understandable. Are you answering this question of free will? No. Are you sure? No. That's great. Do you feel comforted the baby in your room? No, ako yes. How would you be scared? Ako yes. Yes. Have you ever wondered when you will die? Ako nie. Are you scared of that open door? Yes. Take a look around. Yes. Do you have any enemies? Ako neviem, nemám akého asi, takže asi nie. Ale potom ma to skerdne nejakou enemíčkou. Ak dám yes, tak ma to skerdne a ďalšou enemíčkou. Takže dám no. If you went missing for you, okay. Ako nie. Ako áno. Are you alone? Yes. No, jasné, že nie. Ale ne. No. Nie. Fú. Som sa zlákol. Ako keby som húčal, tak jasné, že by ma niekto počul. Do you know the person standing behind you? Do prdele! Jo. Yes! Relax. Take some time to relax. Did that scare you? Yes! Are you alone now? No! Correct. Hey, yo, do you believe that no little secret about you? No. Hey, are you from Slovakia? Oh, okay. Áno, som zo Slovakie. Not for you. No. Well then. Nie, ja sa... Do you want to end the survey? Odpovedajte, natáčam. Takže, ako... Neviem, či chcem teraz skončiť toto. Ako, asi nie. Čo mi tu píše? Really? Yes. Ja to neskončím ešte. I will ask you once. Again, just to be sure. Do you really want to end the survival now? No. Ha, nebudem. Then the survival will continue. Are you a brave person? Ako? Neviem. Tak ako ja som trochu nie. Ako videli ste sa, že ja som sa fakt zlakol, tak ja dám, že áno. Kamo! Of that, what? You are not... No! 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 No, ja to nelívnem. Tak lívnem, tam bude jumpscare. Do prdele, ja som sa zla. Nechám si jumpscare. Survival. Ja som sa... Toto zatvorím, ja to tam nechcel. Loading. Kámo, ja som sa zlakol dvakrát. Kámo. Wake up. Jumpscare, čo? Start, survive. Yes! Yes. Are you having a nice day? No! It's okay to feel this way. Do you feel well rested? No. Yes. No. Okay, no. Rest while you can. Are you alone right now? No. Nie. No. To sa mi pýtali, kámo. Is that so? Do you have any phobia? Yeah. Ako neviem, či mám. Neviem aké. Ako strach z výšky nemám. Z toho, že som zatvorený v nejakej miestnosti sám, alebo tak nie. Takže asi ani strach z úzkých priestorov nemám. Takže asi nie. Brave. But some fears creep you next. Do you often feel anxious? Okay, no. Bodky, 3 bodky. Do you trust people easily? No! Yes, no. Toto dáme random proste. Vieš čo dáme? No. Wise choice. Trust is earned. Do you have any underlying fears? Dáme, že nie. Hehehehehehe. Tu. Are you close to your family? No. No. Do you feel safe in your home? Yes. Toto nejaká mazlíčka. What? Are you afraid of being... No. Good. Children can be... Do you ever feel like you're beginning to watch it? Ako? Nie, toto dám random zase. No dávam vždycky, vždy. Should we check at the window? No, ja sa tam dopredu. Have you noticed any new sounds lately? No. Listen carefully. They're there. Bojím sa. They're the instinct their source. Do prdele, ja niečo počujem. Som mŕtvý. Brave. Can be dangerous. Dokel. Go find that sound if you will. It should stop after a while, regardless. Have you looked around the room? Oh no. Yes. Good. Make sure you are familiar with your surroundings. The door locked? No. That's strange. It should be. Are there curtains closet? Yes. Close it or not your choice. There a place to hide? Asi áno. Okay. Do you have good survival instinct? No. No. Your actions will tell. If you... Ok, ja sa bojím. Ja ich počujem. Ja sa nekúkam. Ja sa nekúkam.